Miele refrigeration, keeping food at optimum freshness thanks to a high-performance cooling circuit. This is how it works. Heat is drawn out of the appliance and released outside, thanks to a refrigerant which transports heat around the refrigeration circuit. The refrigerant passes through sections with low and high pressure levels. The diameter of the pipework is an important factor. A smaller diameter increases the pressure and the temperature. A larger diameter allows room for expansion, with a subsequent drop in both pressure and temperature. Heat is drawn out of the appliance interior and expelled outside. To ensure that this circuit works effectively, certain key components are required. For example, the capillary tube. On leaving the capillary tube, the liquid refrigerant relaxes. Pressure and temperature both drop. The evaporator, embedded in foam in the rear panel of the appliance, offers plenty of space for the liquid to turn to gas at low pressure. The heat extracted from the cabinet provides the evaporation energy required for this process. This causes the warmer air to cool down. The compressor is the centerpiece of the circuit. It draws the refrigerant in and forces it down into the condenser located in the plinth. Due to the high pressure, the refrigerant turns to liquid and releases the energy extracted from the cabinet as condensation heat. The refrigerant, which is still pressurized but now slightly cooler, then enters the capillary tube again. A closed circuit, heat is drawn out of the appliance and released outside. Perfect cooling. From Miele, of course.